Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Motorola Edge 70 Fusion smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin, try again. You can see wrong pin, try again. Okay, if we press the volume up and power button together and try to power off the smartphone, so you can see enter pin to turn off or restart your phone. So guys, listen to it carefully. Press and hold the volume down, volume up and power button together, and when the screen turn off after 1 second, just press and hold it, do not release, and after 1 second release the power up button and keep pressing the volume down and power button. And here you can see, now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode. Here you can see now you are in recovery mode and confirm. Okay, so you can see no command. Now here press the power and volume up button to go in Android recovery mode. So now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. I would like to inform you that after hard reset, all stored data files will be deleted. Go to factory data reset and confirm. It is formatting data, kindly wait. So as you can see, data wipe complete. Data wipe is successfully complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Motorola Edge 70 Fusion smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.